Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Zapier.com. Zapier.com is an app connection platform. Basically, Zapier takes many of the popular online applications and makes connections between the two where otherwise they would not exist if there isn't a common integration. So for example, maybe you use Google Sheets or Trello or Gmail or Asana or any of the apps that are connected to Zapier, and you want to connect them in some way. And those applications design a specific way to connect. Zapier will connect the two. Zapier has two kinds of plans. One that is free, that will allow you to build one-to-one connections, and another that allows you to build more complex applications with a $20 a month minimum. Now the applications are made to automate processes so that you do not have to manually move data between two interfaces. Now if you want to know whether or not Zapier will connect with something that you are doing, you want to go to the app directory at the very top of the site. And what you can do is you can write in the application that you use most. For example, maybe you use MailChimp, Evernote or Evernote Business, Trello, or even Google Analytics. Or if you're considering certain platforms, you can take a look at the categories. And for example, you can click on accounting and you'll be able to see all of the accounting relating apps that Zapier uses to connect. The same is true of email applications and social media. Now, if you're looking to test applications, you'll notice that some of the applications have a premium designation on the top. That means then that you're going to have to use the paid application in order to use them. And when you first sign up for Zapier, you're going to get a 14-day free trial of the premium features. And that's primarily going to be the use of the premium applications, Zap processes with 3 or more steps, and then priority support. So when you're ready to look at one of the premium features and you want to do that before you actually pay, you can go ahead and sign up for Zapier. So once you've signed up for the first time, you are then ready to start using the application for workflows. Now again, even if you have the free version, you do have access to use the premium applications. Anything that has this premium designation, you'll need to make sure that you're paying. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.